What's up bafflers, James Whitworth here. I'm introducing a new series called TechBaffle Bargains. This is where I find second-hand products online that are so cheap you wonder, does it work? What condition is it in? Is it too good to be true? Whoosh, it's gone. Bose are renowned for providing big sound from a portable speaker. The Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus also provides 360-degree sound, making it ideal for sharing your music with friends and family. The Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus is the bigger brother to the Revolve, so ideal if you need a louder, fuller sound. Usually the speaker costs £279.99, but I've bought it for 50p. Yeah, 50p. But I've bought it for 50 quid. I bought it from cash converters online. It looks to be in sorry condition, so I was on a mission to find the cheapest Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus possible. If it works, it's a win. Let's take a look. Yeah, this isn't really in shot, but I have no idea what's inside here. It's all a huge package, probably loads of bubble wrap. I have absolutely no idea what it comes with. Hopefully it comes with the speaker. Let's undo the package. I have absolutely no idea what to expect. What do we have inside? Bubble wrap! The camera above has just died, so we'll have to just deal with this one. One annoying thing about that camera is that I can't charge it whilst using it. I know, why? What's in here? What's in here? Oh, we have a note. I'll look at that later. Also, I keep on moving this. Stop moving. Yeah, it's moved the camera again. I need to get a better tripod. This tripod thing I've got on is so lightweight. Come on. Oh, we've got something in the deck, throw it away, don't throw it away. We have the charging cable. Interesting. So I wasn't expecting to even have, I shouldn't be waving this around. I wasn't expecting to get this in the box, but it does, so I'm happy. Is it actually the real one? Still got the wrap on the side. Fair enough. In fact, this has never been undone. It's like in one of those packages that you can't reseal. Da, 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 da. Interesting. It comes with, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, it comes with a Motorola charger. Who'd have thought? Well, it should at least fit. I think it's a micro USB that it takes. I was thinking that was so weird if it came with the original charger, not even taken out the package. Anyway, let's move on to the speaker. This is the fun thing about getting something second hand. You have absolutely no idea what to expect. Anything can happen. So I'm expecting this to be in really bad condition, but we'll soon see. Da, 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 da. And here is the Bose SoundLink Revolve. Now, as you can see, it's got a few scuffs on the side. It's actually got a handle because it's the Revolve Plus. I have absolutely no idea. Probably should be wearing gloves because I have absolutely no idea what's been spilt on it. Something that's white, but yes. I'm going to see if I can at least clean it up. Stop turning. Yes, it's messy over there. You don't see that bit on purpose because it's messy. And camera's like, I'm going to reveal all the messiness. No, don't do that. Interesting, something has gone into the groove, which is a bit difficult to remove, but we'll have to just leave that for now. It does actually have a tripod mount on the bottom. That's one thing, this has a wireless charger. I'm not sure whether these actually come with the wireless charger or whether you buy that separately. I'm pretty sure I could probably buy one separately regardless if I wanted to have a charger that you can just, a charging dock. All in all, it doesn't actually look in bad condition, it's just dirty, it just needs a clean. Thank you for your purchase. I hope that you are happy with your item. For returns within 14 days, please post to that address or call the number.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, I think I've got it cleaned up. It looks slightly better than it did before. I'm still wishing I wore gloves, but there we go. That's interesting content. For the most part, it looks pretty good. It's got metal construction and a rubberized top for good grip on the buttons. It's also got a handle. Question is, does it work? So let's try and power it on. It either has no charge or it doesn't work, so let's go ahead and plug it in using the supplied Motorola charger. Oh, it made a noise. We have a battery charging indicator on the top. This still smells gross. I think I need to give it a better clean than I did, but I don't know. I was going to play music, but I don't even want to touch my phone now.
The next day.
I've given the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus a bit of a charge. What I didn't realise is that you didn't have to hold down the power button, you just press it like.
Battery 80%. Connected to Nokia 7 Plus.
As you can tell, I've already connected it to my phone, Bluetooth standard, but you can also get a app called Bose Connect. Install, free app. You don't have to use the Bose Connect app, you can just connect it with simple Bluetooth and it will connect to any music player you use. Nothing is more important than your trust. I agree because I've read everything. Grant, yep. Thanks, Bose. Make sure the product is on and within reach of this range. Yes, it's right here. Bose Revolve Plus SoundLink. Drag to connect. And it's connected. So we have Bluetooth and we also have party mode. I think party mode is if you want to link multiple. We don't have multiple speakers, but if you happen to buy multiple speakers, you can link them up and turn them into a party. It shows us the battery life. It says music not available. I've tried this with Spotify, but what I'm going to use for this video is songs that I've downloaded from Artlist. This means they're royalty free and I'm not going to get copyrighted for them. Let's see if I can go to the music app. I've just got this thing called Audify. And we have a few tracks that I've downloaded that I think should be a good test. You've got the option of hanging this up, or you can just put this on a surface, or you can just use it as a handle. It's all your choice. You can even plug in a 3.5mm aux in if you prefer a wired connection. There's also a charging dock on the base. I've looked and the charging dock comes separately, so it's not included with the speaker usually, but you can buy those on Amazon. So without further ado, let's begin. Good bass actually.
Songs are not to make you bitter. The days are long, but when your politics are literature, the days went on, new thoughts considered, still a pretense on, for you to feel bigger. Everything I do is foreign, you know what I mean? Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, foreign, I'm so foreign. Yeah, you know my whip, you know it's foreign, I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign, I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got it foreign, you so boring.
You sit there, baby, come and wet my body. Cause my feelings going, wanna climb my mountain. Grab me a small bowl on, put my favorite song on. Gather all my senses, be my refuge, I love. Yes, yes, you choose my station. Now we are surfing the channels. Fast forward with all your forces. You might receive every motion.
Seems very
Yes,
clear
yes,
actually as well.
nothing's the matter, we are climbing.
No matter where you listen to it.
Mixing the colors we never thought we'd buy.
Next.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the
Vocal sound a bit there, actually.
sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last. My feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up and I'm made for.
Very dramatic.
Yeah.
Load that.
Yeah.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. But you got me feeling for your body, you might.
So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with how much bass it has, considering it's not a huge speaker. It looks bigger because of the camera angle, but it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too bad actually. You can definitely take it around with you. I was quite surprised how full-bodied the sound is. It's really good, and it actually does sound good from all angles. Good clarity as well. It has very easy to listen vocals in songs. You can definitely hear what people are saying. It's not muffled or anything. It's not really a flat response. It's more, you can definitely hear a bit of bass boost or something like that, but it does make songs sound more interesting. When you put it down on a table, you definitely notice some good lower bass as well. It's not just upper bass, so yeah, you do get a good response. Now with a bit of magic, I'm going to make the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus spin on its own. So it's actually going to revolve. So 3, 2, don't believe me, 1. Told you, absolute magic. So what we're going to do is play a song and see if it does sound the same when it's rotating.
Flowers centered, yes, yes, you chose my station. Now we are surfing the channels. Fast forward with all your forces. You might receive every motion. Yes, yes, nothing's the matter. We are climbing the ladders, flipping, mixing the colors we never thought we'd find.
And it sounds exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you want one brand new, you'll find the best Amazon deals around the world using the Genius link in the description. If you're new around here, hit subscribe and ding the bell icon to never miss out on another video. A true baffler isn't complete without some sweet merch from techbaffle.com/shop. That's all for now. Drop a like if you've enjoyed this video. Any questions, let me know down below. Until next time, follow me at TechBaffle and stay curious at techbaffle.com.